Good day everyone around the world. Welcome back. So what do we have today? We have this flash drive. We have a baseline flash drive. It's baseline 4 gig flash drive that came in for repair. This is coming from a local customer, and the customer is more concerned about the data inside this flash drive. He said the flash drive just stopped responding, and that the flash drive looks like this. So on these small items, we are not concerned about the size of item, because here what is important is the information that is inside this 4 gig flash drive. Probably we have some kind of important documents, because the customer is a student at a local polytech college. So I believe there are important files inside. So the flash looks like this. So what we can do, we can test this. Let's plug it and test desktop. I think we can test this PC. Plug in here. This has to appear here. We have this hard drive which has got 2 partitions. We must have this 4 gig flash drive here, and it's not even showing up. So we have some kind of problem here. So what can be fault here? Or what can be fault on this flash drive? Let's try to get inside and have a look. What can be fault inside this flash drive? Oh, seems like we have some broken pins. Oh, let's go on a microscope and have a look. So let's see here. What do you have on this flash drive? We have broken pins. You can see here. This is broken. This is broken. This is broken. We only have one pin which is working here. This pin is still connected on the PC board. And this one is broken. This one is broken. This one is broken. Which one is the plus? Which one is the minus? I think the plus is this one, which is going through this resistor. But you can check. Exactly what I told you. So this one is going through this resistor. After the resistor, we have those ceramic capacitors which are going to this driver. Probably this is the power management chip. And on the other side, we have the memory. And here we have this, the plus, these 2 pins which are broken. These are data pins, and we have the minus pin. The problem, all the data pins, the tracks are missing. That is a very big problem. So what I want to do, I think the port still looks intact, but only the pins are the problems. So let's take out this port completely and have a look what is underneath this port. So we have missing pads here. We have missing pads. All the pads that are missing. How we are going to treat this repair, but we are lucky. We are lucky. I think we can do something, because here this pad is the plus. We have some data pins here and the minus. So we need to rebuild those tracks. That's the first thing. So let's try to do something on all those tracks. Let's try to do something. I'm sure I can do something here. Okay. So we need to rebuild 3 tracks. We have 3 tracks to rebuild. I'll use soda paste in this kind of job. That's the best to use here and here. Good. Now how we can do it here. Okay. Uh, Here. And the last one. Don't worry, I'll align all those tracks nicely. Okay. So here we have to rebuild all these tracks. Nice. We need solder here. We need another one here. Need some here. So now we can cut this. Now we need to come with the charging port. And try to do all these tricks. That's the USB port. Let's try to solder this port, this USB port. Nothing is hard here, but only you need to pay too much concentration. Especially when you are dealing with small items like this. So now let's solder all these pins back. First pin, okay. Third pin. Let's see now. Let's see. So what we did here, we opened the flash, we find out we have some broken pins, 2 data pins and the plus. And the tracks were all missing. We fixed out the tracks, so it's now time for test. Before I can stick everything with hot glue, I think we can test. Let's go on desktop. Let's check. Here we have 2 partitions like before. Now plug in this USB drive and it's working. You see this local drive C with 3.74 gig. Open, we have all these files. Let me see. Uganda University Authority. all the files they are opening. We have so many files here to recover. So let's check out. Local C is disappearing. Again, it's coming back. So the flash is working fine. The flash is working fine. So what we can do here more, just to ensure that this won't happen in the future, what we can do here, we can do something. We can do something. Let me see. We have this 3S fast dry solder resist oil. You remember this? So we can use this here. All what you need to do is to put it on top here to cover all these tracks. And we don't have the UV light to dry up this locusel, this adhesive, but we can use the light from the microscope. We can use the light from the microscope. So we can use our anti-glare light in this case. That's the light for the microscope, this one. So let's put it here. What we are seeing, we need to dry this. Let's do it like this way. This is a powerful light to dry up this. We want to make sure that this won't happen in the future. So this resistor oil can dry quickly by using UV light. Let's see. You see, it's already dry. It's already dry. One more time. What I'm using, I just improvise and use a powerful light from the anti-glare light for the microscope. And that's all. Let's check what we have done on a microscope. That's the flash drive. Let's check out. You see, it's already dry. It's already dry. Only now, when it's dry totally, you can't even do anything. Let me dry again. So what we have done here, we have put this resistive oil and use the anti-glare light from for the microscope, just to dry up this, to ensure that all these pads won't rip off again. So yeah, we've done improvement more than the manufacturer. So what we will do, I'll put all together. This is a good improvement. This is a very good improvement. And this job won't come again with same problem. We can test, final test, desktop. Okay. And the flash is working fine. Local F with all the files inside. Everything seems to be working fine. Everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, that was the repair of today. At least we have done something, we've learned something, how you can recover important files from a flash drive and how you can make a better repair so that you won't have like coming back customers complaining. So you can buy this 3S fast dry solder resistor oil. So this is working with the UV light because you have to dry it very fast. If you have missing pads, you have finished fixing pads, you can use this. This is a nice tool to use. So what I'll do, I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives, ex-girlfriends, boyfriends. I'm happy the Christmas is coming. We are now in the last month of the year. So yeah, I'm now preparing for the holiday. But at the moment, meanwhile, while it's preparing, we can have a few uploads before Christmas. Okay? See you on the next one. Bye.